Singapore will allow all vaccinated travelers from around the world. Singapore will be introducing a new quarantine-free travel framework that will replace the vaccinated travel lane scheme with some countries. In this video, we will talk about the new travel rules to Singapore starting next week. But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one and would like some assistance. Singapore will lift restrictions for all vaccinated travelers from the 1st of April. The city-state is a gateway for many travelers arriving in the Asia-Pacific, and it had already started quarantine-free travel schemes with some countries in recent months. Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong said Singapore had reached a major milestone in its efforts to live with the virus. Easing travel curbs will reconnect Singapore with the world, he said in a televised address. It will give a much-needed boost to businesses, particularly the tourism sector, and it will help Singapore reclaim its position as a business and aviation hub, he added. Singapore introduced a new simplified framework that will allow fully vaccinated travelers to enter Singapore quarantine-free, and will be replacing all existing vaccinated travel lanes and unilateral opening arrangements. All fully vaccinated travelers from any country or region will be able to enter Singapore without the need for quarantine, as long as they have not visited any countries or regions in the restricted category in the past 7 days. There are currently no countries or regions in the restricted category. This means that travelers will no longer be required to apply for a vaccinated travel pass or air travel pass for entry into Singapore. Travelers holding a valid vaccinated travel pass or air travel pass can continue to enter Singapore under the VTL or unilateral opening arrangement until the 31st of March, after which they will no longer be required to present their passes. Are you planning a trip to Singapore? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator. If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.